Kilworth, near Hawkchurch, Devon, April 29, 2014. This is a remake of a previous video. Producing the following frame-by-frame video analysis would have posed a logistical nightmare if I had tried to use my normal methods. This object is very small, varies in shape, and has a ghostly aspect to it. Further to that, its transit across the frame was very large. To overcome this, I have videoed the entire transit in close-up from the computer monitor. Unfortunately, the object was so small that the dots on the screen appear large. For this reason, the video looks rather poor. The object is displayed here at a rate of 1 frame per second, which is 1/30th of normal speed.